Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the new session 2021. So this year I shall be taking your English 2. First of all, congratulations that you all have got promoted to class 6. This is the first time that I shall be taking your class. Unfortunately, we have to begin our classes this way, but then it's fine. It's better to be safe at home than to suffer the pandemic, isn't it? Anyway, I'm very happy that I have got the opportunity to teach you all, and I think and I'm quite sure that you all will cooperate with me and we will have a very happening session this year. Today, I shall not begin with any chapter. I'll try to give you certain advices or I'll give you certain instructions which I want you all to follow in my classes. Now English 2, I know you have learned a lot till class 5. This year onwards, you will not require the whole book. You don't need to study all the chapters of the book. I will select a few chapters which will be important in your upcoming classes till you reach your class 10th. I'll select a few chapters, but this does not mean that whatever you have learned in your previous years will not be important. They were equally important. They are the basics with the help of which you'll be able to learn whatever concepts I'll teach you this year. Grammar is not only about what is in your book. Grammar is all about practice. So it's very important that whatever I teach you, you practice them at your home. Whatever we do in the school, you need to practice a lot so that you will be efficiently able to do them in your higher classes too. Coming to your present session, I know many of you haven't got your books. It's fine. Whatever I do in the videos, whatever I teach you in the videos, listen to my classes carefully and accordingly you note them down in your copies. For your exercises, I shall write down the questions as well as the answers and I'll give them up in my videos or in the WhatsApp group and you can copy them down in your copy. You need to make an English to copy, one English to copy right now. Whatever is required, we will inform you later. So, the first chapter that I will begin with in my coming class will be articles. I know all of you have done articles probably in your previous years also, and you might be thinking what is new that you are going to learn about articles this year. But there will be certain things which you obviously will learn. You will get to know certain concepts. But before I start with those concepts, if you have your class 5 book with you, then please go through the article chapter once so that when I begin with my class, you will be able to understand what I am trying to teach. Now, it will be definitely difficult for you all to understand from the videos, but then now just listen to the videos, write down whatever I give you, and once school reopens, you can come up with your doubts and I shall explain them all in the class. So, it will be really fun being your teacher, teaching your English too, and I am sure you all will efficiently learn and we'll have a very good session in the coming days. So thank you. Have a great day. Stay safe at home.